Prince Charles has launched a fundraising campaign to help southern Asian countries hit by the pandemic. He's warned that around 40 million people in the region are in immediate need, with a further 400 million workers having no income. Sky's Inzamam Rashid reports on the international COVID appeal led by the Duke of Cornwall.
Last night, from his home in Scotland, he clapped for our carers. Today, a message to Britain's South Asian community during these unprecedented times.
The current public health crisis is a challenge which confronts us all, in every community and in every part of the world. In the United Kingdom, I know that the British Asian community is playing a vital role in the response to this crisis.
In this video shared with Sky News, Prince Charles thanked the huge number of British Asians working through this pandemic. British Asians make up around 10% of the NHS workforce. Many of them have already succumbed to this virus whilst on the front line.
Because he had his own experience of coronavirus, it's very personal to him. He's very aware of the tremendous work that so many British Asians have been doing in the UK at the forefront of the fight against the virus. And now he wants, like us at the British Asian Trust, to turn our attention to the devastating consequences that could happen across the region.
In his address, the royal patron of the charity announced the launch of an appeal to help those suffering from coronavirus in South Asian countries.
Over 400 million daily workers have seen their livelihoods disappear with no form of income and no savings. And they and their families now face a fight for survival. The British Asian Trust's COVID emergency appeal will support those in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka who need it most.
Scientists believe in South Asia the coronavirus situation could worsen in the next few weeks. In Pakistan, hospital beds have already reached capacity.
These are vulnerable people. These, as my Prime Minister very rightly pointed out, that if people would not die of COVID-19, they would die of poverty and hunger, because there's a large number of people who are dependent on daily wages and daily subsistence.
Prince Charles has always enjoyed his trips to this part of the world. The future king is much loved by this region and by the British Asian community. He'll only want to see worldwide people protected. Inzamam Rashid, Sky News.